Hello po. Good
What's your
evening.
name?
Frank Kendall po.
Mabigat, ilang pounds siya?
Gawa ng ano?
Stainless po.
Stainless.
Wow.
Bigat.
Ako po si Fran Kendall Cabroa. Kasalukuyan nakatira sa Tondo, Manila. Nag-work po ako sa isang theater club. Performer ako doon. Sumali ako sa PGT kasi gusto kong magpakita ng kakaibang talent na alam ko hindi pa nakikita sa PGT mula ng season 1, 2, and 3.
Frank, good luck ka.
She was driving last Friday on her way to Cincinnati on a snow-white Christmas Eve. Going home to see her mama and her daddy with the baby in the backseat. 50 miles to go and she was running low on faith and gasoline. It'd been a long, hard year. Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hands, 'cause I can't do this on my own. I'm ready to go, so give me one more chance, save me from this road I'm on. Jesus, take the wheel.
Kendall, alam mo, nakakatuwa yung performance mo. Bukod
Thank you,
sa
ma'am.
unique siya, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganyan. Nag-e-enjoy ka.
Thank you po.
And alam mo kung ano nakakatuwa? Parang inuutusan mo yung bilog.
Correct, tumuloy-tuloy.
Parang may sarili siyang buhay. Utusan
Thank you.
mo ba siya? Kaya niyo bang kumuha ng iced tea?
Siguro po.
Sige, next time ha.
Thank you, ma'am.
And
Okay.
very graceful yung performance and may poetry. Nagandahan ako sa napanood
Thank you
ko.
po. Thank you po.
Ako, yes.
Thank you po.
Ako rin, Kendall, yes na yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
You have the grace. It's a unique act. It's just that okay, it's a resounding yes.
Thank you
It's
po.
a yes too, yeah.
Thank you.